Hello, boys. Looks like there was a thunderstorm going on outside. Very nice. Not really, because, I mean, thunderstorms are kind of scary. I mean, it's 12 in the morning, so I don't think this thunderstorm is capable of conjuring up a tornado. Oh, hello there. And, I mean, does it look quite green outside? Does that look green? Because if you say in the comments that it looks green, then that's concerning. I mean, so... Oh, that looks insane. Oh, shit! That was loud. Stop shaking, leg! That's mental. Holy mother of titballs, boys. I swear, every single time it severely thunderstorms, I just go full pussy mode and I just get very scared. Why am I such a pussy? Well, maybe it's because I'm scared of a tornado being conjured. I mean, I asked Siri, and he said that there weren't any tornadoes in the forecast today, so I mean... But I mean, Siri isn't really that good at predicting the weather, so that's slightly concerning. And I'm colorblind, so I can't really tell the color of the sky. Unless it's fully daytime and the sky is blue, then I can obviously tell what color it is. But if it's nighttime and it's thunderstorming, I can't tell if the sky is green or just normal sky color when it's thunderstorming. Hopefully it's not green, because that means that there's going to be a tornado. Because whenever the sky is green, bam, tornado. And tornadoes are, not fun, to say the least. I mean, come on, it's not like they just, like, tear apart your house or something. They're not that bad. Tornadoes, you know, they get a bad rep. Especially the F5 tornadoes, those ones. Okay, no, I'm joking. Those F5s are just horrific. Especially in, oh. Hello, meow. Getting quite loud out there. You know, since it's becoming summer, it's getting quite warm, meaning that thunderstorms are a bit more common now. Before, I never experienced thunderstorms. Like, before summer, I experienced thunderstorms not at all. That made no sense. But before, like, summer, I did not experience any thunderstorms. Other than one that was, like, happening, like, way over there. But, like, I couldn't hear the thunder because it was so far away. But now that I'm experiencing thunderstorms close, like, to me, kind of scary. But, I mean, yeah, that's, I don't know why every time a thunderstorm occurs, I just sit here recording it. What the hell is wrong with me? Almost like 1 a.m. I'm just sitting here, sitting next to an absolute... I'm sitting here, sitting right next to hell. I'd expect that this is what it's like in hell. Except, like, all the tornadoes are made of fire and shit. That'd just be good. Imagine that, just like it's always thunderstorming in hell, and it sounds really stupid right now, but I mean, it sounds correct. I mean, come on, why the hell wouldn't that happen? It's hell. What the hell else would you expect? Just gotta open the door just one more time so you can see what's happening. This thunderstorm's looking pretty mental. I asked Siri what the weather is currently looking like, and he said, it's looking quite cloudy outside. And I'm like, oh, mate, this doesn't look very cloudy. It looks kind of like a thunderstorm, to be honest. Siri, you got a damaged brain, Siri? Ooh, boys, it's looking amazing outside. Let me just, open the door so you can get a clear view of what's currently oh, holy shit. Well, that's, quite crazy, to be honest. I just saw a big lightning bolt crawling across the sky. Currently sitting in a chair. Oh, I might have just now missed a lightning bolt hitting the ground. But I mean, who cares? So holy shit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close that. Just because I don't want my... That does not sound like thunder. That sounds like a nuke. Holy shit. Okay, I'm getting out of my chair. Oh my holy titballs. Holy fucking shit, dude. I know this ain't gonna get monetized, mostly because I'm a trash channel and I'm just a channel with like 15 subs or something. But, holy ass. This is, quite crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, holy mother of God. Oh my God. That sounds like a nuke, not thunder. Did a nuke just go off? Holy shit. I've never experienced a thunderstorm this severe. Well, I mean, probably a couple of weeks ago I did. Maybe like 2 weeks ago, I don't fucking know. That video I made where I said it's raining hell. Now it's raining hell. That was only the start of it. That was only the start of all this fucking chaos. Holy. It's so loud I might have to cover my ears for this. Alright, get ready for some nuke thunder. My... My God, bro. It's... Just because... I mean, just because it looks like... just because it sounds like a nuke is going off every couple seconds, doesn't mean that this is like a hurricane or some shit. Wow. I'm shaking and quaking in my boots because of how terrifying this is. Oh. I'm expecting a lightning bolt to strike right there. Because, with how bad this is, with how severe this thunderstorm is, I'm expecting multiple lightning bolts to strike, like, way over there. Even if it's not, like... Oh. Oh. I'm shaking and quaking in my boots. This is terrifying. Not that bad. I mean, compared to that scared me. I mean, compared to tornadoes, this is just baby shit compared to that. But I mean, this don't look so bad. I mean, might just be a couple flashes of lightning. That's it. It's not like a nuke is being launched every couple minutes. This is, wow. I've taken for granted every single thunderstorm that has occurred. My God. It started off as a normal thunderstorm, like, that started way over there. Now it's came over here and, I quite frankly don't like it and do like it at the same time, because thunderstorms are not a good thing to sleep to, because I mean, thunder, it can sometimes sound like a fucking nuke is being launched, but I mean, or no, a nuke hitting the ground, I mean, a nuke just exploding, I mean, not a nuke being launched, because that's not what it sounds like when a nuke is launched. That's what it sounds like when a nuke, like, smacks into the ground and creates huge impact and basically brings extinction to the universe. I mean, yeah. Alright. Oi, what's up? You enjoying this? I bet you are. Stupid bitch. You should be grateful that there aren't 57,000 tornadoes. I should at least be grateful that there aren't like 55 tornadoes all approaching me at once. Because this is just insane. Yeah. Ugh. That's terrifying. It's quite frankly horrifying.
Meow.
Sitting back in my chair. Pretty good. Got nearly 10 minutes of footage from just a thunderstorm. Meow. I'm gonna pet my cat. He's such a small boy. Look at him. Hey, look at the camera. Look at him and tell me he's not a cute cat. Hey, what are you doing? Don't scratch the door. I mean, you wouldn't even want to escape, because, I mean, just look at the state of that shit. That's just not... Is that a lightning bolt hitting the ground? I mean... Huh. Holy shit! What the fuck? That don't sound like thunder, that sounds like the sun colliding with the earth. That sounds like a planet exploding, not thunder. God, what are you doing out here? Holy tit, dude! I have to yell because of how loud it is, fucking bug. I can imagine the amount of pain bugs are in. All the bugs just flying around, just like, can this please just end? My ears are hurting. Do bugs even have ears? That's my question. Do they have bones? Obviously they don't have bones, because how could a tiny creature like that have bones? That just wouldn't make sense. Unless it's a cockroach the size of a car, then it would make sense that it has bones, but a tiny little ant, why would that have bones? Anyways, bug rant over. A raindrop just came from above and hit me in the head. That was uncalled for, dude. Fuck, bro. What happened? Sorry. Oh. I gotta get my hood up. Hello. It's still happening. Chaos is still occurring. I feel like this is basically the precursor to the end of the world. Basically, like, this is just warning us that, that the world is going to end in 56 years, and if you don't escape, if you don't flee the planet in that amount of time, you will all die. I bet God is warning us to, like, flee this planet. Just, like, flee Earth. The Earth is going to explode in 24 hours if you do not flee this place. Ground is very, so to say, moist. Also, here's a good fact. Water is not wet. It's only when you get out of the water that you are wet. If you're ever in the ocean or a pool or something, just take note that you're not wet. You're only wet after you get out of the pool. Just wanted to state some extremely obvious facts that a literal fetus would know. Ugh. Yeah, this is just what we experience over at Australia. This is definitely what an Australian experiences daily. It's like, this is pussy shit compared to Australia. Over here we experience hurricanes. I mean, over here, hurricanes aren't common. And more so, aren't possible. Considering we don't live on an island. If we did live on an island, we'd probably experience hurricanes like weekly or monthly. I have no idea. And I think it's like 13 to 12 days until July the 4th. So let's hope God doesn't ruin it by making it so that basically the world ends when July the 4th comes around, because I want to see some goddamn fireworks, bro. My God. This is just epic. Ugh. Right. Oh. We're back up. We're back up, boys. Oh, shit. Fuck. That's the thing I use to hold up my phone whenever I, like, play games. Whenever I watch videos.